Good morning students, I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapit channel. As you know, this is our second channel, and earlier many videos of your class 6 to 12 were already uploaded in our Social Science with NKSR channel, and we are very glad for your good appreciation messages which you have sent for your good performance in your term 1 exam, where our teaching materials and extra question, MCQ based question, which help you a lot, as you mentioned in your comment section. And as you requested, sir, we need some more contents for our term 2 exam, so this channel is made by my team. And so far many educational videos of your class 6 to 12 social sciences were already uploaded, and many educational videos were recorded, will be uploaded very soon. And we believe that all those teaching material will help you to do good in your term 2 exam. And along with that, I think you all are getting benefit from the teaching materials which are uploaded, because my team uploads every day many educational videos of your class 6 to 12. So if you subscribe the channel, you will get the instant notification of newly added videos which will help you to do good in your term 2 exam. So I believe you must have subscribed this Social Science Vidyapit channel along with Social Science with NKSR channel. And one more thing, that you should see all the videos till the end, so that you can understand that important information which I inform in between of the videos. Okay, and along with that, you can help your friends by sharing this educational videos with your friends and sibling and other students who are reading from class 6 to 12. So today my team is ready to record this video for class 10 history, your term 2 syllabus in your board exam, the chapter which are coming. So that chapter is nationalism in India. So my team is recording this video for class 10 history nationalism in India. So the MCQ based question which are prepared from each topic of this chapter, we expect that this will helpful for you to do good in your term 2 exam. So I hope you all are ready. So shall we start now? So the first question of this chapter is the Pune Pact took place in the year dash. So the Pune Pact took place in the year dash. Your options are 1857, 1932, 1935, 1942. So the Pune Pact took place in the year of, I hope you all must have written the right answer from the options. So the right answer of this option is the Pune Pact took place in the year of 1932. Moving toward the next question, what does Satyagraha mean? Your options are fight against injustice, complete independence, following the path of truth and non-violence, and all of the above. So the right answer of the question Satyagraha means following the path of truth and non-violence. Moving to the next question, Gandhiji called off the non-cooperation movement due to death. Your options are Jallianwala Bagh incident, Chori Chora incident, tribals, agitation, and all of this. So the right answer of this question, Gandhiji called off the non-cooperation movement due to the Chori Chora incident. Okay. Moving to the next question, when did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Your options are 1919, 1921, 1922 and 1928. So the right answer of this question is the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in the year of 1919. So I hope student you all must have written the correct answer. So I will be very happy if you will send the correct the total mark which you have got from all the questions, and you should write down the important question answer in your notebook so that you can practice also. Okay. Moving to the next question, Gandhiji agreed to participate in a roundtable conference in London in a dash. Your options are Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Pune Pact, Lahore Pact, and Gandhi-Simon Pact. So the right answer of this question, Gandhi agreed to participate in a roundtable conference in London in Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Okay, this is the right answer. What was the Khalifa? So the political leader of the Islamic world, the spiritual head of the Islamic world, the spiritual leader of the whole world, and the spiritual leader of Saudi Arabia. So the right answer of this question, the Khalifa, it means the spiritual head of the Islamic world. Moving to the next question, when was a Caliphate committee founded? Your options are 1919, 1020, 1927 and 1922. So the right answer of this question, the Khilafat Committee founded in the year of 1919. Moving to the next question, the non-cooperation program was adopted in the DES. Your options are Lahore session, Congress session at Nagpur, Gujarat Congress, second roundtable conference. So the non-cooperation program was adopted in the Congress session in Nagpur. Moving to the next question, where was the non-cooperation movement turned violent? Your options are Kheda in Gujarat, Champaran in Bihar, Nagpur in Maharashtra, Chauri Chaura in Uttar Pradesh. So the right answer of this question, the non-cooperation movement turned violent in Chauri Chaura in Uttar Pradesh. Moving to the next question, who initiated Purna Swaraj? Who initiated Purna Swaraj demand? Your options are Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar, Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru. So the right answer of this question is Jawaharlal Nehru initiated Purna Swaraj. Moving to the next question, whose name is associated with the folklore of southern India? Okay, your options are Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Natesa Sastai, Bipin Chandra Pal, T. Krishnamurti. So the right answer of this question is Natesa Sastai. Moving to the next question, who wrote Bande Matram? Your options are Avanindranath Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, and Ravi Verma. So the right answer of this question is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay wrote the Bande Matram. Moving to the next question, who painted the image of Bharat Mata? Your options are Rabindranath Tagore, Abanindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, and Natesa Sastry. So the right answer of this question is the image of Bharat Mata was painted by Abanindranath Tagore. Okay. Moving to the next question, who wrote the book Hind Swaraj? Your options are Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Maulana Azad. So the right answer of this question is Hind Swaraj. This book was written by Mahatma Gandhi. Moving to the next question, the act that gave enormous power to the British government to repress political activities was this. Your options are Rowlatt Act, Seditious Meeting Act, Arms Act, Vernacular Press Act. So the right answer of this question, the act that gave enormous powers to the British government to repress the political activities was Rowlatt Act. So students, these are some of the important questions which were prepared from the Tom 2 History Class 10 chapter, that is Nationalism in India. So we expect that this chapter Nationalism in India will be very helpful to all of you to do good in your Tom 2 exam. So we'll meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.